So now we are going to start a new thing for which we are going to have new lyrics too.
Hey, yes, the new day.
Wait a minute, what happened to you? You were so much normal at the beginning and now you are trying to become
Really?
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत लोपर सा फील हो रहा है
Why? What happened?
बिकॉज अभी कुछ हटके होगा
हटके सब कुछ तो हो ही गया, अभी क्या होगा? और क्या बाकी?
उन लोगों को पूछ ले यार क्या होगा हटके
इन लोगों को okay, anyone can guess इसका कपड़ा देख के अभी क्या होने वाला है?
फैशन शो।
Very good. What a talented guys.
Intelligent guys.
Very good. Okay. So तुम announce कर ले.
So guys, our younger generation is too crazy to follow the new fashions and style. Sometimes they try to follow the riding style of a hero and they made with an accident rather than to made with that particular hero. So, here the fashion show is going on just because to represent the different cultures in our society. Not like to impress the girls. Hey, Babar.
So fashion show actually it is some people say that fashion show is to expose body or something like that. But
obviously,
yeah. At the same time, it is not this thing. Actually, fashion show is the to represent one's beautiful someone's mind is. He can show his beauty of mind through his body. This is called fashion show, and it doesn't mean to show off or something like that. It is just the beauty of mind, and we are going to have not only culture, actually mixed fashion show. Both it will represent our culture as well as the latest modern designs and all the new generation styles.
so please welcome our all the participants in the fashion show. So guys, you are requested to come on the dais, please.
Yes.